Hey everyone, Mike Morrison here from Membership Geeks. Today we're exploring a hot topic, memberships versus other types of online products. We're going to compare them to online courses, paid workshops, and high-priced coaching programs, looking at the pros, cons, and who they're best suited for. So let's dive in. First up, let's compare memberships to online courses. Online courses are usually very structured and often with a clear start and end point. They're fantastic for delivering concise, targeted knowledge. The downside is that once the course ends, so does the participant's journey. There's limited ongoing support, and as a creator, you're constantly in launch mode, which can be a big marketing challenge. Memberships, by contrast, offer a more fluid learning experience. They're ideal for those people who value continuous learning and community support. The challenge here is consistently creating fresh, engaging content and fostering an active community. Now on to paid workshops. These are intensive and great for hands-on skills. The pros are that they're perfect for delivering focused training in a short time frame. However, they lack the long-term engagement and rewards of an online membership. Plus, organizing a successful workshop, whether it's online or offline, can involve a lot of logistics, and attendees often need much more after that workshop ends. High-priced coaching programs offer deep, personalized learning and support. The pros are clear: customized support and intensive learning, but they're not accessible to everyone due to their typical high cost. Plus, as a coach, you can only work with a limited number of clients, which limits your scalability. Memberships bridge these gaps. They offer the community aspect that's often missing in courses and workshops, and while not as personalized as one-on-one coaching, they can provide a group coaching dynamic that's scalable. For creators, memberships mean building a sustainable, recurring revenue model, as opposed to the feast or famine cycle of course launches and high-ticket programs. Of course, memberships have their own challenges. It takes effort to keep the community engaged and the content fresh. Now, you're either going to find that exciting or taxing, depending on how much you love your topic. With a membership, you are in it for the long haul, needing to continually market the ongoing value of your membership in order to attract new members and keep existing ones subscribed and engaged. Each of these types of business models suits different learning styles and goals. Courses are great for structured, time-bound learning, workshops for intensive skill acquisition, coaching for personalized deep dives. Memberships, they're all about the long game, offering a continuous, evolving learning journey within a supportive community. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the real-world benefits of the membership model for you, the business owner. The first of these is recurring revenue. Unlike one-off course sales or workshops, memberships bring in steady, predictable income month to month, year to year. This means you can plan and budget with more confidence, leading to a more stable and less stressful business. Then there's the potential for scale. With memberships, you're not limited by the number of hours in the day as you are with one-to-one coaching. You can reach and serve hundreds, even thousands of members, all contributing to your revenue stream. Another key advantage is the reduced stress compared to the launch cycle. With courses, you're constantly in launch mode, which can be exhausting. Memberships, however, offer continuous enrollment, smoothing out the peaks and valleys that are typical of course-based or high-ticket program models. And let's not overlook the financial efficiency. Building and updating a single, evolving membership platform can be more cost-effective than continuously having to create new courses, new training materials, new coaching programs, what have you. This efficiency can significantly impact your bottom line. And finally, memberships create loads of opportunities for upselling and cross-selling. Your members are already engaged and finding value in your community, so they're much more likely to invest in additional offerings such as exclusive workshops, live events, or premium content. So for business owners, the membership model is a win-win. It provides financial stability, scalability, reduced stress, cost efficiency, and enhanced sales opportunities. Remember, While courses, workshops, and coaching have their merits, memberships stand out for offering a sustainable, long-term approach to sharing your expertise and growing your business. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into how memberships stack up against other types of online product. In the next video of this series, I'll be talking about the type of people who would really benefit from starting a membership website. So be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.